Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go first of these new free assembly cardigans with this little satin bow detail, pearled buttons, ribbed bottom. Also has the ribbed short sleeve, relaxed fit in the white. Also comes in black and no price. Also have the new top set match pack to the pants we saw last week. So from Free Assembly, they have that V neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, hood in the back in the navy. Pants have that elastic waistband, side pocket, flowy leg, and then the same fit through the back. So new color in the mock neck tops from Free Assembly. So these are super soft, stretchy t-shirt material. Has that high neckline, sleeveless, relaxed fit through the back. We saw it in the navy. Now they're in the white and they're $10. So new cardigan from Jessica Simpson. This has that V neckline, has the smaller buttons, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. It is that shorter kind of boxy fit. And colors in the cardigans from Time and True. So these have the V neckline, gold buttons. So what it looks like up close, has that ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. In the ivory, also comes in brown. There's the blue and black, and they're $19.98. Also new quilted jacket from Time and True. So this is really nice satin material. It's quilted with the side pocket. It has this little corduroy bottom and then toggle on the wrist. It's a mock neck when it's zipped up, completely lined in this light blue. I think I saw these on sale online. And then it also comes in the black. Velour sets from No Boundaries. So these are that juicy kind of velvety material. Has that drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the kangaroo pocket, and then the pants are pull on, the perfect flared leg. In the black, also in the pink, the pants from the front, the high rise, and the two pieces are $19.98. New holiday jumpsuit. So this one's from No Boundaries. It has the little candy cane buttons, happy holidays with the side pocket, wide leg with that fur trim, same fit to the back. They're $26.98. And they also have from No Boundaries the little Santa sequin, has the thicker straps, the peppermint buttons, a side pocket, wide leg, same fit through the back, and they're $26.98. Next, that new Grinch jumpsuit. So this one has the thicker strap, the little fur side pocket with the wide leg. Also has that little fur trim bottom, and then the same fit through the back, and these are also $26.98. We also have in the jumpsuit the skeleton jack. So this one has the higher neckline, sleeveless, the little patch, sequin belt buckle, and then it's a wide flowy leg. Same fit through the back, and they're $26.98. And then the new Christmas tree dresses from No Boundaries. These have this scoop neckline. It's a sweater material. Fit and flares out. How adorable. With no like jingle bells or anything on the back, and they're $22.98. So new Christmas dresses from No Boundaries. These have the high neckline, sleeveless, fit and flare in the sweater material. Santa's favorite with the hood. Also have this Santa dress from No Boundaries. Has the thicker strap, sweetheart neckline, the little peppermint buttons, fit and flare, and same through the back with the sequins, and these are $22.98. Sweaters from Time and True. So they have a mock neck drop sleeve. It's a ribbed wrist, a shorter boxy fit. In the purple and lavender, there's a blue with the navy, white and black. And then we saw this solid black. They're $17.98. Long sleeve top from Jessica Simpson. This has that square neckline, this lace trim, fitted through the wrist, and then this little button detail with the lace. It scoops in the middle, and then the same fit through the back. And the burgundy also comes in the black. GROMMIT jeans from Jessica Simpson. So these are high rise. They have this studded detailing, the little cuff at the bottom. And then the seam fit through the back. They have no studding on the back. And they're $32.50. So new flutter sleeve top from Time and True. This one has that V neckline, the flutter sleeve, fabric covered buttons with that pleated detailing in the burgundy. Dresses from Time and True. So these have that square neckline, puff sleeve, seam detail under the bust. It's a poplin, flowy, and then the back has that same kind of fit with this little tie detail. Comes in the navy and then also in the purple, and they're $22.98. Rouge tank from Time and True. So this one has the thin strap, the little peplum, squared in the back. Also new sneak peek dresses from Time and True. These have the smaller collar, button on the wrist, that drop tier, and then the seam in the back. Sneak peek corduroy pants from Time and True. So these have the button zip. They're high rise. They're a wide leg. That seam fit through the back with the pockets. It's actually like a suede material. That's what it looks like up close. I have these new longer length tank dresses from Time and True. So these have that high neckline. They're sleeveless, longer than what we're used to, and then the little slit on the side with the seam detail in the back. They come in brown, also in navy, and they're $9.98. New sweat sets from Celebrity Pink. So these have that drop sleeve, elastic on the also at the bottom. How cute with the little bow. Same fit through the back. These are $16.50, and then the pants to match have the elastic waistband, the little bow graphic through the leg, jogger style. Those are $16.50. And they also have new from Celebrity Pink, these zip pullovers with the little heart. And then the pants are also jogger style with the little flowers and the hearts, and they're both $16.50. Velvet dress from Celebrity Pink. So this has that sweetheart neckline, has the shorter sleeve elastic in the waist, fit and flare. In the burgundy, also comes in black. There's the black. And they're $21.50. The zip pullovers to match the plush shorts we saw over the weekend. These have that mock neck, drop sleeve, relaxed wrist, that shorter boxy fit. How cute is this little gingerbread? They have the red reindeer. There's a red and green plaid, and then the black with the Santa. And they also have online a pink with the bows. I have to get that one, but they're only $12. The shorts are also like really affordable, like under $7. Sneak peek plush shorts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, super soft, in the black and white snow angel. There's all really cute Christmas prints. How cute are these? With the little gingerbread and Fair Isle, the red and green plaid, and they're $6. New colors in this boxy shirt with the matching pants from Lee. So top has that smaller collar, full button, that shorter fit, has a little bit of a drop sleeve with the banded wrist. Comes in the green. There's the beige or ivory and black. They're $28.98. And then the pants to match are pull-on, wide leg, soft, stretchy with pockets in the back, in all of those same colors. Puffer coat from Ozark Trail. So this has that mock neck. It's quilted side pocket. The banded wrist says puffer jacket, water repellent and wind resistant. And that's what it looks like on the inside. Hood in the back. And they'll be linked. Blue color in the No Boundaries star jeans. So now they have black. These look like they're a high rise. They have this little star patch on the side, and then that wide leg through the bottom, and then the same through the back. And these are $19.98. Also new faux leather pants from No Boundaries. So these are high rise. There it says baby boot cut. So fit the smallest amount of flare. And then the same fit through the back. And they're $14.98. Cable knit sweater from No Boundaries. So this one has the crew neckline, drop sleeve. It's really soft, almost like a chenille with the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back. I'm only seeing this really pretty pink. These new cardigans from No Boundaries. They have the crew neckline, this little embroidered detail, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom in the light blue with the bow. Also comes in beige with the cherries. Right next to that new little dog sweater from No Boundaries. They have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed, super stretchy in the gray with the little brown dog. How cute. Also sneak peek little tanks from No Boundaries. So there's this satin material, has the thin strap, the little bow, seam detail under the bust, squared in the back. In the pink, also comes in black. And they're $8.98. Bubble skirts from No Boundaries. So these have an elastic waistband, little like ruche bottom, same fit to the back. In the solid black, also comes in this burgundy plaid. How cute is that for Thanksgiving? And they're $12.98. Behind the jeans, how good do these look? So pull on flared pants from No Boundaries with the little rhinestone detailing. Comes in the black, also in the burgundy colors, and the No Boundaries pull-on jeans. So these have a little thin drawstring. I have these in like the mid-tone blue. Now they have this black. They also have new colors in this style. We saw it in that darker wash, and then they also have black in those. These are only $15.98. Time and True. It has the V neckline fitted through the wrist. It says it helps smooth and is ideal for layering with the fuller back. In the white, also comes in the black, and they're $11.98. Also having a crew neck short sleeve, that same material from Time and True, also has the fuller back. In the black and the white, those are $11.98. And then they also have a high neck tank in that smoothing material. In the black, white, there's the brown and nude, and they're also $11.98. Also having a crew neck short sleeve, that same material from Time and True, also has the fuller black. In the black and the white, those are $11.98. And then they also have a high neck tank in that smoothing material. In the black, white, there's the brown and nude, and they're also $11.98. I have some new graphic tees from Time and True. These have that crew neckline. It looks like a little bit of a smaller fit than usual, but still relaxed. In the black Rolling Stones, they also have the Bare Grateful Dead. There's Woodstock with the purple, and then the light blue and Queen, and the new colors in the Time and True waffle top. So these have a crew neckline. They have a super soft ribbed wrist. This is the color I got. It says relaxed fit. In the beige, there's burgundy, blue, brown, and black, and they're $9.98. Active dresses from Avia. So these have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, fit and flare with the built-in shorts, that crisscross back. In the green, also comes in pink. They have the blue, I think this one was brought back, and the black, and they're $24.98. Also have new in this like scuba kind of fleece material from Avia. These have the zip, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom. The quality is really nice on these with the seam in the back. In the black, also in that green color. On this side they have pink and beige, and they're $24.98. To match, they have the shorts, but I'm sure they have the pants also, so I'll have those linked because I'm in Florida. They probably did the shorts, but these have that same plush lining the side pocket in the pink, also in the black. No Plush pajamas from Joyce Bun. These have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, relax through the wrist, pull on pants. And then this same fit through the back. In the leopard, also comes in the green. The green has a cable knit. On this side, there's a pink with the hearts embroidered. And we saw that bare. And those are $19.98. Goodness, how cute are the new prints from Joyce Bun. I didn't see this with the little gingerbread. Has the crew neckline, ribbed wrist. We saw all the other prints, and they're $9.98. And then the pants have that elastic waistband, jogger bottom. These are so cute. And they're also $9.98. They also have in that plush material these little hooded, like, comfies that have the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the kangaroo pocket. For Halloween, I bought the pumpkin, and my daughter took it from me. So I definitely need to know when they have the green There's the leopard, the same pink with the embroidered hearts, and the bear, and they're $17.98. Due to these new pajama sets from No Boundary, so it has a Henley button, pull-on shorts, and then the matching socks. It says pointel, but I don't really see that. So it looks like the shorts are pull-on with the little button. In this black with the cherries, there's red with the bows, pink with the heart. This one looks like a pointel. The hearts. And the 3 pieces are $16.98. More of the No Boundaries pajama sets. So look how cute, the little bear. There's a bow, the blue, and then a mint with mushrooms, purple with hearts. I love those. No licensed hoodie, like comfies. So these have that V neckline, the little zipper pocket scoop, and then the hood in the back. Snoopy and Hello Kitty, and they're $17.98. What else they have? The Longchamp Look for Less, red, leopard, the purple, the blue with the brown, and then there's an olive green. Those are only $9.98. New Look for Less slides from No Boundaries. These have the round toe. It has that loafer look with the Sherpa trim, the rubbered bottom. They're online only, Top Moda. I've been looking at a lot of their shoes. They look pretty good. I don't know about these, the burgundy little combat boots, but they have really good prices. Also new color in these Time and True Mule. So these have the pointed toe kitten heel. These are probably online only. These are from Journey, the little slingback loafers. Sneak peek shoes from Scoop. So these have a pointed toe, really cute little bow back with a stiletto. How adorable. I think I need these, and they're going to be my favorite shoes for the holidays. And these are $36. Also new from Scoop are these little, like a grommet ballet flat. So these have the rounded toe, has a lot of coverage at the top, and then almost completely flat, and these are going to be $36. So a new boot from Scoop. So this one has the pointed toe fold over with that zipper detail. Also has the zipper on the inside. The quality on these is so nice, and they're $52. And then the next basic we're shopping for are boots. These are sneak peek item. I really love them. I tried them on. They're very comfortable. I think I'm going to pick them up. They have that platform round toe, that fold over look, really good look for less. They're $34.98. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.